welcome once again to my channel. My name is Chief Francis. So today I'll be showing you how to make your skin repair and glow oil. This oil is going to glow your skin, it's going to repair your skin. If you have any form of skin discoloration, it will even out your skin tone and give you a flawless look, but with continuous use. So the products I'll be working with are almond oil. Here we'll have apricot kernel oil. Here we'll have our beta carotene oil. Here we'll have our lemon peel bioferment. Here we'll have our coenzyme Q10. Here we'll have our mixed tocopherols. Here we'll have our lavender petals. Here we'll have our what's it called, jasmine flower, and here we'll have our chamomile flower. Now, what are the health benefits of these flowers? Jasmine is very rich in a variety of active chemical components that are beneficial to the skin. It is anti-aging, it helps to even out the skin tone, it moisturizes the skin, it hydrates the skin, it helps to heal scars and blemishes. The benefits of calendula has antifungal, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that makes it useful in wound healing. Sorry, not calendula, but chamomile. And this chamomile is very good for acne and eczema. It helps to erase acne and eczema. It eases out rashes and scarring in the skin. It makes your skin young, moisturized and blemish free. It is anti-aging, it treats sunburn, it reduces dark under eye circles, it lightens the skin, treats wounds and promotes healing. Apart from using it in skincare products, you can also use it for your tea. Okay, you can use it in making your tea or in drinking your tea. Then this lemon peel bioferment is an extract. To make your oil, you need your carrier oils, you need your essential oil. I forgot to bring out my orange essential oil, but you need your carrier oils, you need your essential oils. You can use one or you can use more than one. You need your extracts and you need your antioxidants. Now, what are extracts? This, for instance, is an extract. Okay, extracts are concentrated plant materials that provide therapeutic properties which have been extracted through a variety of methods like steam distillation, solvent extraction, cold pressing, oil infusions, alcohol infusions, and glycerol extracts. Now, what are antioxidants? Antioxidants are naturally occurring vitamins and minerals like vitamins A, C, and E, or even green tea that protects your skin against free radicals. Now, in skincare, for instance, in pro-mixing, what we add as our antioxidants can either be vitamin C oil, vitamin E oil, even vitamin A. You can add your niacinamide. Okay, so as I was saying earlier, antioxidants in skincare, like in pro mixing, helps to prevent problems like skin reactions or any form of skin irritations. Okay, that is the main reason why we add antioxidants in our skincare mixing or in our skincare formulation. Most of you don't know they are called antioxidants. Your pro mixer will just tell you mix this, mix this, mix this, and you mix that. So the things you can add: niacinamide is an antioxidant. Glutathione, apart from its whitening benefit, it is also an antioxidant. Okay, you can add your green tea extracts, you can add your vitamin A, vitamin E, or even vitamin C. Apart from those, we have the one we call DMAE. That is like a major broad spectrum antioxidant. That works well, very very well with skincare formulations, especially when it comes to lotions. So I've given you a little expo on that. Now, the benefits of lavender. Apart from the nice smell of this lavender, lavender is also an antioxidant. It helps to nourish the skin. It improves the look of our skin by scavenging the free radicals that causes our skin to look dull and dehydrated. So in essence, what this lavender infusion is going to do is to make our skin to look plump, hydrated, glowing, and smooth. Okay guys, so enough of this. Let's get to mixing. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to scoop out my flowers. I'm just going to be using 1 tablespoon of lavender. Yeah. 1 tablespoon of jasmine. Yeah. And 1 tablespoon of chamomile. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be doing is just to add enough oils to cover, you know, the flowers or the herbs. You can call them herbs, flowers, whatever. So I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of my apricot kernel oil, or 2 tablespoons even. Cover it. I'll be adding a tablespoon of my beta carotene. You can add this once you've done infusing, but I just like to add all the oils together. Beta carotene oil is very very good. Then I'll be adding in my lavender, my almond oil. I'll just be adding enough to cover up the herbs. That's about 5 tablespoons or thereabouts. So you just want to stir to make sure everything mixes properly. Okay, then the next thing you will do is to close it. I'm going to close this up, shake it, and then put in the pot for it to steam. Let it infuse. Okay guys, so while our herbs is still infusing, I want to ask a simple question, or like a poll. Like, what do you guys want me to, like, what tutorials would you guys prefer? Is it on organic skincare or on pro mixing? So drop your replies under the comment section, so I will know which one to be doing tutorials on. If it's both, you know, you comment both. If it's pro mixing, comment pro mixing. If it's only on organic, comment organic. But the next tutorial will be on how to fade off red face, how to restore back your face for those that have red face, or for those suffering from red face. Someone requested for it. I can't remember his name, but yeah, that will be the next recipe that I'll be showing you guys how to make. So it's time for me to bring up my herbs infusion. It has been infusing for 15 minutes here. We're going to off the gas. And guess what? I found my essential oil inside the freezer. We're having renovations done. I don't know this Okoko painter how manage he put essential oil inside freezer. I'm just so upset because it's like, okay, it has melted back, so I'll be using it. Okay, so what I'm just going to do now is to strain this out. It smells nice. Like, you don't need any fragrance oil for this because the lavender and the jasmine has wonderful scents. Like, it smells very, 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 very nice. So I'm just going to strain this out. Wow, the whole kitchen is smelling so nice. Okay, once you've strained it, you just have to press to release all the oils. Okay, you have to be careful not to use anything that has water in it so it doesn't breed bacteria, because with this you don't really need a preservative, because most of these herbs work as preservatives too. This oil can have a shelf life of up to a year. Okay, so we've strained that. The next thing I'm going to be adding to the oils, first of all, I need to wipe my spoon. Okay guys, so my oil have cooled down a bit. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is my mixed tocopherols. I'm just going to be adding half a tablespoon. That's 1 teaspoon. Okay. The next I'll be adding is my coenzyme Q10. You can use any antioxidant of your choice. You can always customize this to the way you want or how you prefer it to be. You can use any herbs of your choice to make your herbal infusions. Just know the benefits of those herbs, and if it is what you are looking for, then use it to make your infusions and then use it to make your glow oil. So I'm going to be adding half a teaspoon. Same thing with my lemon peel bioferments. I'll be adding half a teaspoon too. Okay, so another thing is, if you are making this for sale, you need to get a strainer that's, you know, something like a muslin cloth. So why is because let no residue from the herbs be in the oil. As you can see, mine, some little residue, just tiny ones are in there. Okay, so this is my old vitamin E oil. I still have little vitamin E oil in it. That is where I'll be pouring in these oils. Okay, I'm going to add just 5 drops of essential or orange essential oil for its added skin benefits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's almost finished. Okay, so if you want to, if you're making this for sale, for beautification. Some people use rose petals, some people use calendula. You can use any flower or dried herb of your choice to beautify the oil. Okay, so I'm just going to add some jasmine flowers into this, into my container. Okay, let me put this aside. Then I'm going to pour in my oils here. Don't know how to hold this so you guys can see. Once the oil settles, it's okay, guys. So here is the outcome. The oils have settled. You can see the residues under. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Please thumbs up if you like. It's a way of encouraging us YouTubers to keep showing more videos, and for us to know that, yeah, people actually enjoy the content we put out. Like, comment, and share. If you comment, you know me, I will always answer you. Okay, so this is the outcome of the oil. I put in a little bit of jasmine flowers for beautification. Okay, and we are still accepting people for professional pro mixing. If you want to pick up this as your career, please hit me up on WhatsApp. I just don't train you and leave you. I will train you and carry you on forever and ever. That is me. Those who have trained with me knows that is how I roll. Okay, if you train with me, you will not regret it. Trust me. Trust me, you will not regret it. So thank you guys once again, and please like, and happy Sunday. Wishing you all a fruitful and prosperous week. I love you all.